Hey, welcome to day 20 of the February Follies. Yes. Flip cup. Okay, so today I decided, since I've already done a flip cup, that maybe it would be fun to do a grenade pour, which is just a flip cup with a pin in it. So that sounds fun. And our colors today, I've got crumbs. Our colors today are, this is white. I'm not real sure which white. I think it's probably Amsterdam titanium white, but I've kind of gotten to the point in my leftovers where I can't really tell. So this is Amsterdam bluish green, greenish blue. Artist Acrylics bright aqua green. Oh yeah, I was gonna dirty pour this. Amsterdam Prussian blue. PBO iridescent blue green. Soho dioxazine violet. Going kind of heavy on the blues today. I've been doing a lot of pinks and things, so I thought it would be fun. And this is our silver mixture of Liquitex Basics Professional Rich Silver plus Nick Pro Metallic Silver. We're going to go a little white in there in that mix. A little more. That's about what we got room for in our cup. I'll go ahead and pop that a couple times and move it over somewhere. Put our canvas back. And for our puddle, I'm going to put down some silver. I'm going to use up the rest of that. And a little bit of this PBO iridescent blue green. Move that around. Is that a booger? A bit. All right, and I'm gonna flip this cup with this pin in it. Never know where to put my fingers. Right in the middle of that puddle. 1, 2, 3. And out there. Getting your paint outside of your puddle is important. Magic tap taps, you know, it's a thing. Now we're going to pull this pin and blah, 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 blah. I'm going to twist. Hey, that's kind of cool. I kind of like it. Trying to figure out what to use for flow extender here. Maybe I'll just use up some ends of colors that I have nearby. Let's see what kind of trouble we can get into here. Good trouble, I hope. I think that silver just is super reactive. So is the Nick Pro Gold, though. It's funny, the metallics of the Nick Pro are really, really reactive, and the iridescents kind of aren't. It's odd. I need to torch. We've got tons of bubbles. Alright, look at all the cells in my friggin' flow extender. Good grief. Who knew? I think I am glad I put the purple in, though. That's going to make a nice little depth achiever, I think. Trying to decide which corner I want to catch. I think that one, actually. like those little critters down here. I think they're kind of cute. I like them. I really actually like quite a bit of this. I think it's an interesting study. Okay, here are our wet results. This turned out pretty interesting, I think. We ended up with lots and lots of strange, like, ghosty cell structure type things, and just interesting bits and pieces. I am awfully glad that I let purple enter the chat, that dioxazine violet. I think it really gives a lot of spiffy contrast and gives us some depth that we would not otherwise have gotten. Really have come to the conclusion over the last few minutes that it is the silver that creates much of the reactions that we're getting here. I thought that was white up there, but that's silver with a little white mixed in. Does anybody else see the face, like the eye and the little nose and the blowing lips, like spitting? That's fun. But yeah, anyway, there we go. Wet results. Let's look for sparklies. Goodness knows we ought to have a blue million, and it looks like we do. Look at that. Can you see the sort of like lacing of the silver? That's cool. Yeah, it's the silver, you guys. I mean, the PBO iridescent blue-green is also sparkly, but it's the silver. It's the silver making the crazy stuff. That's good to know. And it's got to be the Nick Pro, because anytime I've ever used that Liquitex Basics Professional, it has not done this. So it's definitely the Nick Pro. The Nick Pro metallics seem to be pretty friggin' reactive. See? See? There we go. It would appear that we have a wealth of sparklies. I really like that you can see how it just like separates. That's fascinating to me. There are a lot of fascinating things with fluid art, but that's just one of them. So yep, sparkle ease. We got them. So anyway, thanks so much for coming to join me today to see my little ghost man with the green hair blow bubbles. I sure do appreciate it. And if you haven't already, before you go, if you could push that subscribe button, that would be really cool. And I would really appreciate it. And give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and I'll get back to you, because I do that thing. And I sure do love y'all and I appreciate you. And I'll see you tomorrow.